I'm Troy Wilkie and welcome to Sunjive Studios Adelaide. I am currently standing here in our 396 square metre soundstage with this massive cyclorama infinity wall behind me. We have another 494 square metre soundstage next door and a state-of-the-art Dolby Atmos 12.1 mixing sound theatre. We are the largest privately owned film studio complex in the country. We offer a comprehensive range of services including full production, financing and equipment hire for local and international productions. With over 30 serviced offices, tenants experience a dynamic environment where movies and TV shows come to life. 3 years ago, Sunjive connected to GigCity Internet, providing ultra-fast speeds. This move aimed to attract professionals from various industries, including filmmakers, gamers, and content creators. The powerful cloud computing and storage capabilities support highly interactive and visually immersive experiences. GigCity, reliability and speed have drawn praise from tenants, some of whom have joined specifically for access to GigCity.
I'm Gavin Blake, the Director of the Centre for Creative Photography, located here at Sunjive Studios. We offer a variety of photographic courses, workshops and masterclasses, as well as studio and facility hire. The exceptional speed and flexible pricing options of GigCity is perfect for our needs.
Sunjive Studios is a premier filmmaking hub in Australia, with GigCity Internet playing a crucial role in our success. GigCity has been a game changer, empowering the studio to excel in the competitive filmmaking industry. With our commitment to innovation and creativity, Sunjive Studios is redefining the landscape of filmmaking in Australia and beyond.